There is something about the bell sleeve that makes me feel very flirty and feminine. Maybe it is because of the way the fabric moves with you. It certainly is one of my favorite retro trends. Hi, I am Elisha and this is Retrospecs, and today I am breaking down the bell sleeve trend for you. Where did the bell sleeve originate? In the 70s, right? Wrong. The bell sleeve originated in Japan in the year 794. Yeah guys, 794 is a real year. In the year 1500, the wealthy of the West had adopted the trend and personalized it with embellishments. Bell sleeves had a big fashion moment in the 70s. The trend then made a comeback in the early 2000s, where celebrities such as Kelly Clarkson, Britney Spears, and Christina Aguilera all sported bell sleeves during this decade. As we all know, Y2K is back, and so are bell sleeves. Let me show you how I'm wearing the trend. For this first look, I picked a beige asymmetrical dress that features just one sleeve. But boy, are we making a statement with the one sleeve. Now on to my next look. Going with a more subtle bell, this ruche top has tiny bell sleeves that flare out at the cuff. Keeping the whole girly vibe of the look intact, I'm styling it with a skater skirt. How do you like to wear your bell sleeves? Dramatic or subtle? Until next time, adios! Fashion's most daring hemline, the mini skirt, is back in style. Hi, I am Elisha and this is Retrospecs, and today we are looking at the history of the hit retro trend mini skirts and how you can wear them today. So let's begin. Think mini skirts are a part of the rebellious youth movements? Well, not so much. Back in the 4700 to 5400 BC, ancient Egyptian frescoes depict female acrobats wearing mini skirts. Then in the 1920s, the hemline became popular as it was seen in the costumes of flapper dancers. Finally, it was in 1964 that the skirt came to be as we know it now. British designer Mary Quant raised the hemlines of her skirts and named it after her favorite car, Mini. So how does one stylishly wear this rather risque fashion item? Let me show you. For my first look, I have picked this classic check mini skirt, which is so easy to style thanks to its shape, print, cut and color. Since the hemline is shorter, for the neckline I have gone higher with this top. You could always wear stockings to make the mini skirt more comfortable, or skip it altogether and flaunt those legs, girl. I'm sure you've seen the mighty skater tennis skirt all over your feeds. From jumpers to hoodies, I'm going for a slightly more sporty vibe with this knit top styled with my lavender mini skirt. Until then, ciao! Not many fashion items are iconic enough to withstand the test of time. The fabric tweed, however, is undoubtedly one of them. Hi, I am Elisha and this is Retrospecs, where we take a quick lesson on retro trends and I show you how you can style them. Originated in the Scottish Highlands in the 19th century, tweed is a wool patterned fabric. Now here's a fun fact. The material was initially called tweel with an L until a London merchant misinterpreted the name tweel for tweed. The fabric gained popularity globally when the French fashion powerhouse Chanel incorporated it in their collection. After World War II, the Chanel suit was born and became a status symbol for a new generation. The fabric is used in various styles. So let me show you a few ways in which I like to style it. I'm wearing a tweed play suit, giving the fabric an unexpected twist. I like to keep the styling vintage sometimes, so I either style this jumpsuit with cat eye glasses or a baker boy hat. A pair of statement earrings and heels help make this look more modish. Next, I like to keep the fabric's preppy image intact. Hence, I picked this tweed jacket skirt set. This outfit is the perfect mix of powerful and sexy. Ladies, a tweed item is an investment and it will serve you for years to come. So I suggest you add this retro trend to your closet now. Until then, bye-bye.
If you are an ardent follower of trends like me, then you know that the statement sleeves have been in vogue since 2018. Hi, I'm Kunal Van and you are watching Retrospecs. In today's episode, I have some tips and fashion history up my sleeve. The puff sleeve, such as lantern and bishop sleeves, were first seen in poet shirts in the Renaissance era. These were usually decorated with large frill in the front and the cuff. This trend in fact trickled down from men to women for the longest time. Let me show you how I like to incorporate sleeves in my look. For my first look, I'm wearing a cream puff sleeve sweater, and because this sweater has a baggy silhouette owing to the loose sleeve, I have made this look grunge with a pair of knee-slash jeans. Now, let me show you my other statement sleeve outfit. For my next look, I'm making a bolder statement with this black fitted tee with patchwork sleeves. And I have styled it with the same ripped jeans and sneakers to complete the look. So guys, this is your sign to go and try the statement sleeve trend and see if it works for you. And until next time, I'm Kunal Ban and you're watching Retrospecs. Bye.
For more fashion tips, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.